Hi, good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, okay.
Okay. So in yesterday class, we discussed about few import set examples with different ways we did by using Excel file. So in today class also we are going to do import sets example with the different file formats like CSV, XML. Okay. Yes. So for few minutes, so please revise yesterday class theory part for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, then we can go. I will keep on hold for 2 minutes. Please revise this content. Yes, guys, I hope everybody read this content. So now I'm going to explain imports at example with CSV file format. Okay. So am I audible properly? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now I'm going to u underscore my parent table. Wait. My parent table. I'm going to my parent table. So first of all, you can check we have any data. Yes, here we have data. Okay. So first of all, I'm deleting this data for your understanding purpose. Yes. Yes. Now there is no data here in my parent. I have to send data by using CSV format. Here we already have Excel format. So I'm going to convert this Excel format to CSV format. Okay. Yes. I'm going to file, save as, desktop. Yes, desktop. So here I'm selecting CSV, comma, delimited. Okay, guys, I'm selecting CSV. Save. Yes. Now it is a CSV file. Now you can see where is, so you can see. So this is a CSV file. Okay, guys, got it? Excel comma separated values file. Yes. Now I'm going to send this CSV file to our my parent table. Okay. Yes. So maybe for this example, I will keep all the column names same as the table contains the columns. Here it is name. Here it is gender, email, manager. Okay. Yes. Now I'm keeping column names in different color also. Okay. Yes, perfect. I'm saving it. Now you can come to the data sources here. Yes, I'm going to data sources. Okay. Under data sources, I'm creating new data source. My parent data source 3. Now my data source name is my parent data source 3. Okay, guys. Yes. And import set table name also I'm keeping same. If you want to keep different, yes, you can keep. So file format is CSV. Yes. Here I'm attaching file also. Desktop. Yes. Not info with the demo data. My parent demo data. This is the exact file, CSV file. Yes. Close it. And you can save this. You can save this data source. Yes. Then you can load all the records. You can load all the records. Okay. Then here you can see 4 records are processed into the staging table or import set table. Now we don't have any transform map for this data source. I'm going to create a new transform map here. So my parent transform map 3. My parent transform map 3. So target table is my parent. Okay. So my underscore parent. My parent. Okay, I'm saving it. Just the compare with previous examples here, just file format got changed and remaining everything is same. Okay. Auto map matching fields. This field maps created the column names in Excel sheet and in our target table, both are same. You can see automatically field mappings are created. Now I'm transforming the data. I'm transforming the data. Okay. Yes, transform. Yes, you can see the transform history. 4 records are inserted. Now you can come to my parent table and you can refresh here. You can see. Okay, the data is successfully inserted into my parent table by using CSV file. By using CSV file. So here you have any queries, please ask me. So, and so I will stop the CSV file example only with this example. So you have to do all the examples I explained with Excel file. If, all the examples you have to do with CSV file also. Okay, whatever the examples we discussed with Excel file. So all the examples you have to complete with CSV file also. Okay. Yes. So if you go to the data source here, so in the data source, you have found the CSV delimiter. Okay, in one interview, they asked about CSV delimiter. What is CSV delimiter? Okay, yes. So basically, sometimes what happens with CSV file, all the data, all the columns data will be present in only one column with some separation, maybe comma, or at the rate, or ampersand, colon, semicolon. Like that, data will be separated by some special characters, and the data will be in only one column. So if we want, for separation of that, we will use the CSV delimiter. Okay. So basically, you can see what is CSV delimiter. So note down CSV delimiter. So basically, you can process CSV files that are delimited by a character other than commas. Okay. You can process a CSV files. CSV file. That are delimited by okay. So this is the definition of CSV delimiter. Okay. So you can process a CSV files that are delimited by a character other than commas. So if we have data separation within the column, so we have any other characters for data separation like ampersand, at the rate, semicolon, colon. So at that time we will use CSV delimiter. Okay. Yes. Now here again I'm going to my parent table. First of all, I'm exporting this data to XML. Perfect. Now I'm going to import a data by using XML. Now I'm going to import a data by using XML. I'm deleting these records, and now we will do by using XML. Delete. So now we don't have data in my parent table. Now we don't have data in my parent table. So now I'm going to data sources. I'm going to create a new data source. My parent data source 4, I'm saying. Okay. Yes, in the import set table also I'm giving the same name. So file format here I'm selecting XML file. Yes, we have attachment. We have attachment client provided, for example. So this XML file contains all the data. You can see this is one record, this is one record, this is one record information, and this is one record information. Okay. Now I'm going to import this XML file. Now you can come here. So XPath for each row. What we have to provide XPath for each row. So here we have to provide unload slash u underscore my underscore parent. Okay, unload slash underscore my underscore parent. Okay. Unload. Yes, I'm copying it. Slash table name. So each record will associated with this tag, guys. You underscore my underscore parent. Okay, each record will associated with this XML tag. Okay, we have to copy this one and we have to paste here. Okay. Yes. And now I'm attaching the attachment XML file. Now I'm attaching the XML file. So I'm going to downloads. Yes, this is my XML file. Let's see. You underscore my underscore parent. Yes, I have successfully attached the Excel file. So you can see this is the Excel. Now I'm saving it. Now I'm saving it. So we can note down this point, guys. So what we have to provide in the XPath for each row. Okay, by using XML attachment in data source, we need to give XPath for each row is slash unload slash table. Okay. Wait. By using XML attachment in data source, we have to provide XPath for each row. Row is slash unload slash table name. Okay, this is we have to provide. Next. Yes. Now I'm loading the data. Yes, 4 records process. We don't have transfer map for this. I'm creating transfer map. So here you can see my parent transfer map. My parent transfer map. 4, I'm saying. So target table is my parent. I'm saving this transfer map. In the data source, we already data is loaded. Now I'm simply auto mapping the matching fields here. Then after I will transform the data. Auto map matching fields. Yes. We map to the fields. So field maps are created. So in that table, we have these many fields. Okay, in that table, we have these many fields. So if you want to keep only required fields, yes. Otherwise, if you want to keep all the columns also, no problem. Then you can click on the transform. Transform. We go to the transform history, you can see 4 records are inserted. Now we can come to the my parent table. What happened? Created or not? 4 records. Tell me, guys, 4 records created or not? Yes, perfectly created. This is how we will do by using XML attachment. Okay. Any queries, guys? By using XML also, you have to perform all the examples I explained with the Excel file. Okay. Yes, you have any queries? Please let me know.
Okay.
No queries. Next, we can do by using XML without attachment. By using XML without attachment. For that, maybe I'm going to Ravi instance once. So what is Ravi instance ID? Main something. Yes, I'm going to this instance. Oh my God, his instance in sleep mode. Ravi, are you there?
Yes, Anji sir, but actually this instance is Ajay's instance.
Ajay, you can wake up your instance right now. Anybody created this my parent table in your ServiceNow instances, guys? So please give me your instance ID, your instance details. I have to explain by using XML without attachment. Okay, immediately give me your instance name. It's not only my parent table. If we have similar kind of columns, also no problem. I'm deleting this data from my parent table. Yes, give me one instance details. Now you can see for without attachment, XML attachment also have to go for data sources. Give me instance details immediately. Yes, I'm clicking on new button. My parent data source file. My parent data source file. Here we have to use file format is XML. Okay, and here we don't have attachment. Okay, I'm selecting HTTPS. Okay, yes. Yes, I'm waiting for your instance details. Somebody give me your instance. Meanwhile, we can note down what we have to write in XPath for each row and in file path. Okay. Yes, we'll note down those points meanwhile. So by using XML without attachment, by using XML without attachment, data source, we have to provide X path for each row. We have to provide / table name. Table name. And file path is table name dot do question mark XML. Okay. File path is table name dot do question mark XML. Okay. So we have to provide these details. I hope everybody not interested with this example without attachment. That's fine. I haven't received any ServiceNow instance. Perfect. Maybe I'm going to next concept. Okay. So LDAP integration. Even I have to explain import, schedule import. I require your instance details.
And you are asking new instance?
It's not like that. Any instance is fine. Guys, why you guys are not responding if I'm asking something? So in the starting of the classes, I already said you have to respond. If I'm asking something, even it is a question, and if I'm asking something from you, you have to respond. Otherwise, please don't join my classes. So almost we have completed 3 minutes as per ServiceNow instance. Nobody said.
Yes, same to you.
What is the use of attending the classes? So if you are not responding, if you are not sending required details from me, so maybe I will skip those examples. Is it okay for you? Wait, I received one ServiceNow instance. No, your instance is in sleep mode. So I already said everybody has to wake up your ServiceNow instances while attending the class. If your ServiceNow instance is in sleep mode, That means you are not practicing the examples. You are not practicing the daily classes. Sure, if you are opening your Servicenow instance, definitely it will not go to the sleep mode. Yes, Jayasri, are you planning to provide your instance details?
Sorry, Anji, my instances are still in waiting list. I have tried with multiple email IDs.
Okay. Yes, who is going to provide instance details? Rahul, Ramesh, Ravi, Sai Krishna, Sai Kumar, Sangeeta. Yes, who is going to provide your instance details? Any instance details, no problem. Please provide it. Okay, your instance has a problem. So all your two instances have problem. Yes, I received from Sai Kumar. Wait, it's loading the data. Yes, log in. Yes, I have successfully logged into Sai Kumar instance. Okay, I have successfully logged into Sai Kumar Servicenow instance. Okay, now we will find out one table contains the columns like name, email, gender, manager. Okay, we will send that data to our training instance. Yes, Sai Kumar, do you have the table my parent in your instance? No.
Yeah, I created my first table.
Oh, okay, fine.
My first table.
Maybe application is not upgrading.
Just
Sorry.
just click first FIRST. Just FIRST. You just click FIRST first. Such like for me it is yes. This many record was there in my first table.
Wait. So name, choice, gender, date. I don't want these fields actually. And any other tables we have with this instance? Sai Kumar.
No, the other instance I have the tables, but it is hibernate mode.
Yeah, you can wait up. I will wait for some time. Yes, guys, send me your instance details. Yes. Anka Babu, please send me your instance details. Ajay, Chakradhar, Naresh, am I audible?
Anjay, try my instance one more time. I have waked up.
Yes, Sanjay, I will send you.
Yeah, why you guys are not responding when I'm asking for instance details? I'm logging into it. Wait, this instance is loading, I hope. Yes, Anansa, you have table name called my parent or no. What is the table you have with similar kind of fields? Anand Sai,
I think my first. Same.
we don't have any columns right here. No, we don't have any columns. Ankababu, in your Servicenow instance, we have similar kind of setup. Oh my
No,
God.
Anji. No, Anji.
So daily,
It's a
where you guys are
different.
practicing? Where you are practicing daily? In which instances you are practicing? Yes. In which Servicenow instances you guys are practicing? Yes, give me that instance details. We already have set up, right? In your instances. Sai Krishna, Rahul, Sangeeta.
My instance is in waiting list.
Okay. So then where you are practicing?
I
Sorry. You are not practicing. So at least you can open my Servicenow instance and you can do something. Okay. With maybe with the different table names. For example, if I kept my parent table name is my parent. So maybe you can keep another different name for practicing your examples. Please, everybody practice at least within my instance. If your instance is in waiting list.
okay.
Okay, fine. Kasi, Ramesh. Oh my
I am
God.
connecting from mobile.
Sorry.
I am connecting from mobile.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So finally, I understand that nobody practicing the daily class examples. It's your time waste, definitely. Okay, now I'm creating columns as per my requirement here. Name, email, gender, choice, manager. Okay, so maybe I'm taking reference. Save it. Yes, yeah, I'm saving it. Close. So in gender field, I'm configuring the choice values. I'm configuring the choice values. So here I'm saying male, female. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to list view of my first table. Dot list. So configure, use layout, name, email, gender, name, email, gender, manager. I'm saving it. I will try to import our XML data here. Import XML. So our my parent data will import as of now. Let's see. The table name is different. That's why the data is not imported here. Okay. Import XML. Definitely it will not. Okay, perfect. Now, at least I'm going to create a few data here. Okay, name I will say gmail.com. So gender I'm selecting mail, manager. Maybe I'm selecting total. Okay, so I'm saving it. -1. So maybe I'm saying Ravi at the rate of gmail.com. Gender, male, manager, total. So I'm saving these two records. That's fine. Okay. Yes, in my first table, we have two records created. In my first table, we have created two records. Dot catalyst. So here you can see, yes, we have two records. Now I'm planning to move these two records to my parent table in our Servicenow instance. Okay. Here you can see XPath for each row. XPath for each row. Here we have to provide the table name, /table name. /table name is u_my_first_ table here. Okay. Yes, I have given. So in the file path, we have to provide. So table name .do $XML. Table name .do $XML. So Servicenow instance ID also have to provide. This is our instance ID. Yes, where it is. Yes. In the server, we have to provide this. HTTPS, we already have file retrieval method. So here you have to provide username and password admin. So password is TRAINING@123. Okay. So I'm saving it here. 1 minute. Import set table name. I'm providing same name, and I'm saving it. Here you can see. Okay. Yes. XPath for each row. Now you can see, guys. So I have created this data source. This data source doesn't contain any attachment. We are retrieving data from the another Servicenow instance, that is dev 23579. Now I'm loading all the records. So how many records present within that Servicenow instance? 2 records. Okay, within that Servicenow instance, it present 2 records. You can see 2 records are processed and 2 records are inserted into staging table. We don't have transfer map here. I'm creating a transfer map. Okay. My parent data source. Sorry, my parent transfer map file. So in real time, you have to provide the data source name or transfer map name based upon your functionality. Okay. Yes, here I'm taking u_my_parent. So in our my parent table, we have data, guys. We have any data in our my parent table? No, we have deleted the data. Now I'm auto matching the mapping fields. Auto map matching fields. Yes, field maps are created. Perfect. Now I'm transforming the data. Transform. So you can go to the transform history. 2 records are inserted. Perfect. You can go to my parent table in our Servicenow training instance. My parent. So 2 records inserted. Inserted or not? You can say Anji and Ravi. Yes or no? We got this data from different ServiceNow instance or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is one example without XML. Okay, without XML attachment. Okay, you have to do all the examples I explained with Excel sheet with this format also. Okay, with this format also you can do all the examples what I explained with Excel format. Next, schedule import. Next, schedule import. So and guys, so here you can see if we go to the transfer maps, if we go to the transfer maps here, so you can see here if we go to the transfer maps, so we have run business rule, something called run business rule. Okay, so what is this functionality, run business rule functionality? If we keep run business rule in transfer map while importing the data to target table, business rules against the target table will execute. Okay, so for example, I will note down the point. If we keep run business rule true in transfer map, okay, while importing data, okay, so the business rules against target table will execute. Okay, guys. So for example, we have business rules on the tables. Each and every table contains few business rules. So if we keep run business rules on the in the transfer map, whenever we are importing the data, whatever the business rules target table have will automatically execute. Okay, if we keep run business rule, it won't execute the business rules against the target table. Okay, so we can come to this example again while explaining the scripting part. Okay, yes. Next, schedule import. Next, schedule import. We don't have any definition for schedule import. You can simply see. You can come here, schedule import. Schedule import or schedule import. Yes, under system import sets, under system import sets, we have scheduled imports. Okay, we have schedule imports under administration. Scheduled imports. Okay, scheduled imports. So we can note down the table name for scheduled imports also. I'm closing this transfer map as well. Yes, this is the table name for scheduled import. Scheduled underscore import underscore sent. Okay. Yes, I'm saving it. Yes, I'm saving it. Now you can see I'm going to create a new schedule import. I'm going to create a new schedule import. Create my parent data. Create my parent data. So data source. So my parent data source file. Our data source name is my parent data source file. I'm planning to 1 minute. I'm planning to wait. this is scheduled data input. It's already saved. So I'm planning to schedule a my parent data source file. This my parent data source file was connected from the different Servicenow instance. You already know that. So I'm planning to schedule this one. Okay. And I'm planning to keep run daily. What is the time now? So which time zone our Servicenow instance have? I'm going to profile. I will check the time zone. Americas. This time now. 6:18 p.m. Okay. Yes. Maybe here time I am giving 6:20. 6:20 means it is in 24-hour format, right? 12 plus 16. 18:20 I'm giving. 18:20 I'm giving. Okay. So I'm saving it. Yes, perfect. I have successfully created schedule import here. I'm coming to this Servicenow instance. I'm going to create a new record. So my record name is Swati. So email I'm giving swati@gmail.com. So gender I'm giving female. Manager I'm giving Abraham Lincoln. So okay. You can come to our my parent table. You can see how many records present we have. We have only 2 records. You can wait until this time occurs. You can wait until this time occurs. Automatically, schedule import will execute and it will bring this record, newly created record, to our my parent table. Okay, you can wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, please ask me. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, please ask me.
Anji, can you explain one more time this topic?
No, so simple. So I went to schedule imports. Okay. Under system imports, we have schedule imports. So I have created, wait, I'm closing this. I have created one schedule import. Here I have given a data source file. Okay. My parent data source file. So if we go to this data source, we use without attachment XML file. Okay. File type is XML and without attachment we did example. Okay. So you can see. So XML file format is XML. We connected to different Servicenow instance and we are bringing the data. Okay. Now I'm scheduling this import. And I have given some time. I'm saying we have to execute daily this. Okay. So once this time occurs, it will automatically execute this data source and import the data from that particular Servicenow instance to our Servicenow training instance. Okay. Now the time is already up. You can come here. So you can see what happened. Again, data came from that instance or not? Tell me, guys. Again, data came from that Servicenow instance or not?
Yes.
Yes.
How it came? Because of we created a schedule import. Okay. Got it, everybody? Sorry, Sai Krishna, tell me. Hello.
Sorry.
Okay. So yes, my example is completed and I'm deactivating it and saving. Yes. Okay, perfect. So finally, this all about import sets examples. Okay. So I'm closing all the tabs now. Now we have transform maps. Transform scripts. So we have transfer scripts. So we can note down the definitions for transfer scripts. Okay. Scripts. Sorry. These are transformers. So we can see we have transfer scripts. We can note down all the transfer script names. You can go to the transform maps. Transform map. So if you go to the transform maps, you can open any one transform map you created. You can scroll down. Here we have transfer scripts. Okay, we have different types of transfer scripts are available. Okay, what are those? On start, on after, on before, on choice create, on complete, on foreign record insert, on reset. Okay, we will note down these names. Wait, it's loading. So it's okay. I'm not found docs definition. I will note down definition here. Transform scripts. Yes. The transformation events occur during the process of transforming an import set table. Okay. Yes. While during the transformation, so this transform scripts will help us. Wait, guys. So actually, I'm searching for URL of the transform scripts definitions. Yes. So I already have content I copied from previous classes. So here you can see. A transform scripts, the transformation events occur during the process of transforming an import set table onto a target table. Transformation events scripts modify the transformation behavior at a different points in the transformation process. Okay. So transfer scripts are on start, on after, on before, on choice create, on complete, on foreign insert, on reset. Okay. So for each type of transfer script contains different behaviors. So here you can see the different behaviors of each transfer script. So while discussing the scripting part, again we will come to the import set concept and we will do one or two scripting related examples. Okay, next. Yes, you have any queries, please ask me in the import sets. Maybe so next concept is LDAP integration. LDAP integration. So what is LDAP stands for? LDAP stands for Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. Protocol. Okay. Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. LDAP integration stands for Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. So what is the navigation for LDAP integration? So under system LDAP, we have LDAP servers. Under system LDAP, we have LDAP servers. The system LDAP, we have LDAP servers. So LDAP servers table name is LDAP underscore server underscore config. LDAP server table name is LDAP underscore server underscore config. LDAP underscore server underscore config. Okay. Yes. So maybe we can do this LDAP integration in tomorrow class. Okay. It is very, very important concept, LDAP integration also. In interviews, they will ask the LDAP integration. Are you did with LDAP integration? They will ask like this. Yes. So basically, LDAP integration is used to bring the is used to bring users and groups data and groups from Active Directory. Okay. For bringing users information and groups information from Active Directory, we will use the LDAP integration. And LDAP integration, we will do only one time. LDAP integration, we will do only one time within the Servicenow instance. Okay. So from my overall experience, I did only one time LDAP integration. Okay. Second time, I get a task like modifying something from the LDAP integration. Only 1 or 2 times I touched the LDAP integration from real time. Okay. So I'm stopping class here. Okay. So I will go for some question and answer sections here. Okay. Yes. I'm stopping recording.